Show Mommy, where are the aliens?
Right there.
That's an alien?
That alien.
And that's an alien? What game are you playing? What game is that?
Toy Story.
Yeah.
Yay!
Go ahead.
Click down to open the train door.
I did it.
You got one more to open.
I got it.
That's not it.
The claw. You like this game?
Yeah.
After this game, where are you going?
To Nine.
Yes. Good job.
Cheese.
Yeah, Mommy's making a video for Aunt Joanne. Say hi, Aunt Joanne. Say I love you. Say hi, Uncle Warren. Say I love you too. Can you wave? Thank you. Now you can keep playing. Keep playing your game.
I did it.
Yeah.
I did it, Daddy.
You did it.
That's the one. That's the one.
Yeah.
A claw.
Find another piece just like that one. Which one?
This one.
Nope. Yeah.
That one.
Right.
This